can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Updates. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We have had a very red week in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we are having a very green day. But guys, it's not all bad news. There's good news along the way. The Bitcoin spot ETF might get approved anytime soon. Right now, Bitcoin is gearing up for that epic pump that might finally carry us towards $50,000. We're going to be taking a look at the charts. How high can Bitcoin go in 2024? We're also going to look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Are we also going to get that epic alt season? Altcoins have been bubbling. Right now, the altcoin season index tells us we should pay attention to the altcoin market. We'll be taking a look at that. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. On the yearly time frame, the altcoin market and the crypto market has been bubbling. We've seen altcoins having thousands of percentages gains over the last 1 year. But guys, we were reminded last week that the market can be very volatile. We have been seeing the market pumping since October. It has been a smooth ride, but we saw the first big dump of 2024 where the cryptocurrency market had a very huge crash. We saw Bitcoin going from as high as $45,000. Bitcoin had a giant pullback towards $40,000. Bitcoin had a 9% dump, which is pretty big in the cryptocurrency market. If you can also mark a 9% dump, guys, this is not the market for you, because we're going to see way bigger dumps than that. We've seen way bigger dumps than that already in 2023. We saw Bitcoin go from $31,000 to as low as $25,000. Bitcoin gave us a 21% dump, and that happened in 60 days. As a matter of fact, that dump just happened before this epic pump that we're in. So let's not get carried away thinking there's not going to be some dumps along the way. There's obviously going to be some dumps along the way. We saw the altcoin market also go down with Bitcoin. As Bitcoin went down, Bitcoin is the king of the market. If Bitcoin coughs, everybody shakes. We saw the altcoin market go down on Bitcoin. Ethereum was already in new highs, getting to $2,442. We saw Ethereum dumping back to as low as $2,100. But guys, positive signs. Ethereum set new highs, even though Bitcoin is set new highs, and Ethereum dump harder than Bitcoin, and that's why the altcoin market is very dangerous. Yes, we can get huge pumps when the market is pumping, but anytime we get that pullback, the altcoin market suffers very well. Some altcoins have stayed on recovering. We've seen Arbitrum set highs after that. We've seen ICP, SIA, and a host of others giving us some lovely pumps. If we take a look at the general crypto market, guys, top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is pumping towards that $50,000 region. Hopefully, we get that spot ETF approved, but Bitcoin has gotten only to as high as $45,000. Ethereum, number 2, sits at $2,247. We have Tether, USDT, stablecoin, sits at number 3 with a market cap of $92 billion. BNB and Solana has been exchanging that number 4 and number 5 spot. XRP has toppled USDC to get back to the number 6 spot. XRP is the 6th largest cryptocurrency we have in the cryptocurrency market. Then we have a stablecoin at number 7, USDC. Cardano ADA is coming at number 8, Avalanche at number 9, and Dogecoin makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Take a look at the top gainers and the top losers over the last 7 days. We saw some huge pumps this week. At the same time, we saw some huge dumps this week in the gainer section. We saw SIA gain 53% this week, Internet Computer for 2%, Astata at 2%, Celestia at 2%, Arbitrum and Agatash all had double-digit gains this week. Bonk had a double-digit loss. Bonk lost 25% of its value. Just some weeks ago, Bonk was the talk of the town, and that's how quickly things can change in the cryptocurrency market. Multiverse S lost 17% of its value. Algorand down 16%. CovDAO down 15%. Gala also down 50% in the last 7 days. Sentiment in the market is still very high. There's still a lot of greed in the market, even though we saw that huge dump in the market that saw liquidation in the market getting to as high as $600 million. We still have greed in the cryptocurrency market. This greed has been going on for over 3 months right now. This is the longest greed we have had in the cryptocurrency market since when Bitcoin got to new all-time highs in 2021. So are we going to continue? How long are we going to continue in grade in 2024? Hopefully, we'll go far to the end of January. But guys, as I've told you guys in my previous videos, I believe there's a very big dump that's going to happen in 2024. Bitcoin might go to as low as $3,000, maybe $4,000. We might see Ethereum even touch maybe $200. Crazy things will happen. So the market is pumping right now. Better take some profit off the table. If we see extreme greed, that will be a clear sign that we're getting to the end of this rally. As greed is very, very good in the market, but at the same time, after greed, after extreme greed, comes fear and then extreme fear. And right now, a lot of people are buying, thinking we're going to the moon. Guys, don't get carried away. We've been here through the whole bear market. We've been here 2022 when the market was dumping to Goblin Town, 2023 when the market was rising and we're accumulating. Right now in 2024, it's time to get paid. Right now in 2024, it's time for the altcoin market to have its run. I've been paying attention to this altcoin season index. We expected the altcoin season index to get to altcoin season in 2023, but guys, 2023 is over. We didn't see alt season in 2023. The first time that happened in a very long time. We usually see at least one alt season every year, but we didn't see any in 2023. Hopefully that will change in 2024. Hopefully we'll see an alt season in 2024, but we got to see an altcoin month in 2023. And right now, we've already seen an altcoin month in 2024. I'll not be shocked if we continue staying in an altcoin month for the next 1 month. If you're shocked and you don't know what an altcoin month is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 30-day period, that's an altcoin month. And if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an alt season. An alt season is when altcoins go crazy. The trick is to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season, and you sell them when we get to alt season when they're having a very nice time. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Right now, guys, the market is on the edge. Any small story can take the market tumbling. We saw the market dumping to Goblin Town just because we saw a fake news report that maybe, just maybe, the Bitcoin spot ETF might not get approved, and that took the market tumbling down with a lot of liquidations. So be careful out there, guys. You don't want to use liquidation. You don't want to use leverage because you can easily get liquidated and you can lose all your stash. China State Daily calls crypto corruption channel urges crackdown. Cipher mining buys 16,700 new miners ahead of Bitcoin halving. And the ENS token surges 70% as virtual buttering Laos performance. A super important Total Capital proposes 6 ETF that magnifies spot Bitcoin ETF performance. Wall Street is coming, guys. History has shown us over time that Wall Street and crypto don't mix alike. I've shown you guys examples that all the other time we've had contact with Wall Street from the cryptocurrency market, it has always been bad news and the market has gone in the opposite direction. I don't think this time will be different. I think this time we're going to see a huge dump if that spot ETF gets approved. South Korea proposes ban on credit card payment for cryptocurrencies, and Grayscale in talks with JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs for Bitcoin ETF roll. The YDX identified attackers considers legal action over $9 million lost. EU regulators to investigate banks' crypto exposure, guys. The government is coming to crypto. The government will try to regulate crypto as hard as possible in 2024, 2025. That might be the most challenging year for us in the cryptocurrency market. Your number one job is to survive. Don't let the bankers steal your coin. Gamma attempts to negotiate with hackers after a $3.5 million exploit, and Bitcoin bull market metrics almost reset as Bitcoin price hovers at $43,000. We saw a lot of open funding increasing across the board. But guys, after that wipe down of liquidation, after that wipe down of all those leverages, right now the funding rates are back to negative. We are ready for higher prices as California Senator proposes ethical guidelines for AI contractors in the state. Elon Musk will be the richest person. Bitcoin goes over $1 million. Satoshi Nakamoto has over 1 million coins. At the $1 million price per Bitcoin, we might see some new richest men in the world emerging. ARK Invest sells another 16,000 Coinbase shares worth $25 million. And Microsoft to add AI Copilot key in first Windows keyboard update in 30 years. Let's head back to liquidation data, guys. Liquidation data has been rising. The last 3 days have seen huge liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. In the past 24 hours, over 63,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in at $159 million. The largest single liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $2.09 million trying to trade Bitcoin. Guys, leverage is not very nice. It's only 3 ways man can go broke, according to one famous investor lady. liquor and leverage. So avoid leverage, buy spots. Worst case scenario, the market dumps, you still have your bags. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, we sit at the $1.62 trillion level, guys. The crypto market is a $1.62 trillion market. So I don't think we're going anywhere soon, but I don't think we're going leaving the market anytime soon. But at the same time, I don't think we're going to get to new all-time highs in this pump. As the pump is coming to an end, people are getting very greedy, people are getting very impatient. We're going to see meme coins pumping very, very soon. I believe when the ETF gets approved, craziness will come to the market because there's no any hope again for Bitcoin. Right now, there's still that hope of Bitcoin ETF. How high will Bitcoin ETF pump if the ETF comes? But after the ETF is approved, that hope is gone. Then we'll see action in the altcoin market. Then we'll see action in Ethereum. And I'll not be shocked to see the whole crypto market rallying to as high as $2.1 trillion. Maybe then Bitcoin is at $52,000. Ethereum finally crossed the $3,000 level. And every altcoin is pumping front, left, and center. Guys, in those market conditions, it will even be hard to convince you guys that the top is in. When the top is in, nobody wants to hear the top is in. When the top is in, we all want the party to continue. But remember, we're here in the bear market where prices were down to gobbling town. They look as if they will never pump. Right now, prices are pumping, looking like if they will never dump. This week was just a warning sign. I saw buy the dip trending on Twitter. We have been conditioned to buy the dip. A time will come in 2024 when you should not buy the dip. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the market heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? We've seen Ethereum struggle to pass $2,500. We're seeing Bitcoin struggle to pass $45,000. Do you think this is the week we're going to see it happening? Are we going to see the Bitcoin spot ETF get approved in January of 2024? And more importantly, will Bitcoin dominance start dumping to gobbling town yet again so that the altcoin market can have a very nice time? Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. Perplexity raised $73 million Series B off reported $520 million valuation for AI-powered search engine. And Grayscale and VanEck latest report to register with exchanges for spot ETF shares. Taiwan founder of crypto exchange arrested for fraud. SEC has backed into a corner on the BTC ETF approval. That's what the Bloomberg analyst is saying. And ARK Invest files for Bitcoin ETF registration alongside industry peers. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see the crypto market going? Which altcoins are you buying? Are we going to see that altcoin season happen in 2023? Or are we going to see further dump to gobbling town if the Bitcoin spot ETF gets disapproved? Will it get approved? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.